What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. So we're still working in the Mark 5, just taking care of all of the maintenance stuff that was on that list of things that we got from Pep Boys, and the fuel pump was one of them. So the problem that I'm having with fuel on this car right here is it's like when it can be like when I go and pretty much put gas in it and try to turn it back on, it seems like it takes about 5 seconds for the fuel to like reach the system or whatever, and then the car will start, but on that first crank the car won't start. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just change out the fuel pump in this car and see if that fixes the problem. If it's not the fuel pump, I was going to try the purge valve after this. So that is the goal now. So I already took out the back seat, but the fuel pump should be right here. Yeah, so there is the fuel pump right there. So let's just go on the other side of the car. And it seems like it just pops up. So I just popped it up, and just push that through there, and just all the way back, and there it is. Blue is return, black is send, plug, and let's just twist it out of there. So I just took a mallet and a pry bar, tapped and turned the little lock piece right there, and that releases that out. Alright, well that is the old fuel pump right there. I swear this is like the third fuel pump that I've changed out. And here's the new fuel pump. And just like that, new fuel pump is in the Mark 5, and I hope that this does fix the problem with the fuel pump and it not being able to start when on that first crank. So pretty much now that we've done the fuel pump, the new mirrors have came in. Hang on, boo. They are super nice. And these ones are just going to cover pretty much this back housing right here. And then we also have new the little lights that go at the bottom. Sneak peek on what's back there. Don't tell nobody. But we're going back over here. And then we got the sequential mirror signals. So these are the same one as the front lights right here. As the turning signals, when the turning signals go, they go pop, 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 pop. And those just flash, like just flash. So these are the sequential ones, and these will be just like the headlights. So yeah, I'll show you when they go in, but they're going to be just like the headlights. They're going to go 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and we're getting rid of those. See what I mean? It goes dot 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 dot. So those ones will be the same way. And then see how this one just flashes? It will go the same way as this goes. It won't be just this one light flashing. And I think this should be super easy because the light part is already off, the little back cover, and this part too. So I think I just need to just pull off these tabs right here, and then this light switch will pop out. And then there is a little clip right here that this is held in by. So I think once I pull this out, the rest of it should pop right out. So yeah, just pop it out of there, and that one piece right there is holding it in. And then there also is a little alley screw that is holding right there in. Quick before. So to take these off, it's really pretty simple. Just grab like a pry tool or something like that, and just grab pretty much under the bottom of it. Just grab pretty much under the bottom of it and just start prying it loose, and it will pop pretty much right off just like that. It's only held in by a couple tabs in the back and laced under the front. Other than that, it's pretty simple. And then this has that one screw right inside of there, and other than that, it pops pretty much right off of the thing. So now check it out. That looks so much better than that one light that was flashing on the mirror up top. It just had that one light that was flashing. Now it's going continuously with this one, and that looks really cool. Same thing on this side. So yeah, that looks so much better with the carbon fiber. So guys, drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I think that looks so much better right there. Those headlights, those mirrors. I wish I could have got the Mark 6 styles, but they don't fit inside the thing right there, and I just didn't want to do the work to make it fit. So this is a really cool add-on. So guys, drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. We're far from finished with this Jetta, and we got a long ways to go, but small stuff like that makes it look just really cool to add on to the Mark 6 style with the Mark 5. I don't know, drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Remember guys, have an awesome day.